In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move charts on Pepperstone. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, open the chart you want to work with. This can be any instrument chart that you want to review or analyze. After the chart is open, move your cursor over the chart area. Place it on an empty part of the chart so you do not accidentally select another tool or object. When your cursor is in position, click and hold the left mouse button. While holding the mouse button down, drag the chart to the left. This will let you move back in time and view older price data. If you want to return toward the latest market activity, drag the chart to the right instead. This allows you to move forward again toward the most recent price action. Once the chart reaches the position you want, release the mouse button. The chart will stay in that location, so you can examine that part of the price history more closely. If you want to look at another section, simply repeat the same action. Click and hold on an empty area of the chart, then drag left or right depending on where you want to go. As you move through the chart, you may find that adjusting the zoom level helps you get a better view. If the candles or bars look too compressed or too large, change the zoom so the price movement is easier to read while you scroll through the chart history. This can make it much easier to focus on a specific time period. Continue dragging the chart until you reach the section you want to analyze. You can move backward and forward through the price history as many times as needed. The goal is to make sure you can smoothly navigate to different points on the chart without difficulty. Take a moment to verify that the movement is working properly. You should be able to drag the chart back to older data and then return toward the latest data without any interruption. If needed, repeat the process a few times until it feels comfortable and natural. This simple method helps you review past market behavior and inspect different areas of the chart with more control. Once you get used to it, moving through chart history becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.